As a general rule of thumb, I don't want my patients to miss any more work than necessary. I don't want them to have any more interruptions from their daily life than absolutely necessary. And there's a lot of ways we can combine multiple procedures into one. So for example, the traditional method for replacing teeth with implants is to extract the tooth and graft it. Let's say there's a bad tooth that needs to come out. You extract it and graft it, and then you wait a few months, sometimes up to a year, to heal. It can take a very, very long time using a conventional approach to replace a tooth with an implant. More often than not, if the bone has the right shape and size and density, we can place a dental implant the same day we take a tooth out, and that really limits how many surgical appointments that you have. Ideally, if you're losing a tooth, let's say it's a back tooth, I really like to take the tooth out and place a dental implant the same day. And just as you heal, as you go through your normal healing in that extraction site, the implant will be bonding the bone. So by the time your gums have fully healed up, which by the way is massively accelerated by our PRF technology, by the time your gums are healed up, we're able to place a crown on there. The implant has already integrated as the whole tooth, the whole socket has been healing. So we're looking at only one surgical appointment. Well, let's say we're talking about a front tooth. I don't want you going without a front tooth. We can more often than not extract the tooth, place the implant, and place a temporary crown the same day. I would love to see you and meet you and show you some pictures of the results we've gotten with this, where we've taken front teeth out and placed dental implants and a temporary crown on top of it the same day, and just seen phenomenal results. See how beautiful it looks. My patients come in with a broken front tooth that's non-restorable, and that evening they're at church singing in the choir. It's absolutely unbelievable. Give us a call if you are interested in replacing a tooth with a dental implant.